Hello, welcome to Nocti by Kali j.N.S. And today we are continuing with the Black American series, and this is part 4. And we are covering Reconstruction, which are years 1865 through 1877. The early years of Reconstruction were marked by Northern troops, occupation of Southern states, and Black Americans' struggle to exercise rights post-slavery. As former enslaved Africans, Black Americans could not inherit property or land and thus continued to work as laborers in order to make a decent living. Almost immediately following the ratification of the 13th Amendment in 1865, several Southern states passed a series of state laws known as the Black Codes, designed to restrict Black American civic and economic rights and ensure continued access to low-cost labor. The Black Codes required freedmen to have labor contracts, punish vagrancy, and blocked voting rights. Violators were subject to arrest and, in some cases, forced labor. Despite the codes, Black communities began to develop as former enslaved Africans established new communities, schools, and churches. The Black church would become the hallmark of politics, civil engagement, as well as refuge. So the Black Codes was a very serious thing. It is akin to Jim Crow, and this occurred in 1865 through 1877. A lot of people are unaware of the Reconstruction period. They know of the period, but they are unaware of Black Codes. And this is what began the rise of the Ku Klux Klan, which we will cover in part 5. This is part 4 of the Black American series. It's very short, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.